हेलो गाइस। आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल विवेकानंद अकेडमी ऑफ लर्निंग में स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट MCQ as of B.Ed semester truth paper childhood and growing up B. These are the MCQs has been prepared by Vivekananda Academy of Learning team members. Okay guys, so if you haven't been subscribe our channel, just do subscribe and press bell icon to get notification from our each and every videos. So let's get started, and after this watching our videos, do comment that you like this video or not, because we can understand is it important for you or not. Okay, so that's why. So let's get started. So first question, stage of second stage of socialization of a child is, options are A, family, B, society, C, school, and D, above all. So the correct answer is school. Next question, what are the causes of frustration? Options are A, physical environment, B, economic problem, D, social environment, and D, above all. So the correct answer is D, above all. Next question, factors affecting mental health of a child are peaceful environment, proper guidance, health environment of school, and above all. So the correct answer is above all. Next question, who says mental hygiene is a science that deals with human welfare and prevents all of human relationships? A, Skinner, B, Crow and Crow, C, Driver, and D, none of these. So the correct answer is B, Crow and Crow. Who is the responsible for the mental health of child? A, self child, B, society, C, peer group, D, none of above. So the correct answer is none of above. Next, factors affecting mental health of children: A, heredity, B, social environment, and C, physical defects. So the correct answer is above all. Next question, who says child psychology is a scientific study of the individual from his parental beginning through the early to the adolescence development? Options are A, Crow and Crow, B, Getz and others, C, Ruth Strong, and D, none of above. So the correct answer is B, Getz and others. Next question, logical operations begins during, options A, sensory motor period, B, pre-operational period, C, formal operational period, and D, concrete operational period. So the correct answer is C, formal operational period. Next question, area of development of child is A, physical development, B, social development, C, mental development, and D, above all. So the correct answer is above all. Next question, the age of childhood is, options are A, B, C, D. Among these, the correct answer is D, 5 years to 12 years. Next question, child development is divided in how many parts? Options are A, 2, B, 3, C, 4, and D, 7. So the correct answer is B, D. Sorry, B, 3. Next question, process of child development is started from A, since parental, B, after 2 years, C, after 5 years, and D, after 10 years. So the correct answer is A, since parental. Next question, in how many parts called scenic divided the human development? Options are A3, B5, C8, and D10. So, the correct answer is B5. Next question. What are the main parts of development process? Options are a change in size, change in ratio, change in all features, and D above all. So, the correct answer is above all. Next question. Which aspects of child development is very important to educational point of view? A. Physical, B. Mental, C. Social, and D. Cultural. So the correct answer is B. Mental. Next question. Physical development is related with options are A. Growth, B. Development, C. Change, and D. None of them. So the correct answer is growth. A. Main factor influencing the child development is A. Heredity, B. Environment, C. A and B both, and D. Nature. So the correct answer is C. A and B both. Next question. According to Ross, infancy period is A. 2 years since birth, B. 2 weeks since birth, C. 2 months since birth, and D. None of above. So the correct answer is B. 2 weeks since birth. Next question. The time of pre-childhood is options are A. 2 to 5 years, B. 2 to 6 years, C. 4 to 5 years, and D. 3 to 7 years. So the correct answer is 2 to 6 years, B. Next question. Which changes are included in child development? Options are psychological development, biological development, C. Emotional change, and D. Above all. So the correct answer is D. Above all. Next question. Meaning of moral development of a child is A. Social development, B. Physical development, C. Religious development, and D. Character development. So the correct answer is D. Character development. Next question. Principles of growth and developments are development is orderly, B. Direction of child development is definite, C. Development is continuous, and D. Above all. So the correct answer is above all. D. Next question. Who says development is a continuous and gradual process? A. Skinner, B. Woodworth, C. Keras, and D. Ross. So the correct answer is Skinner. Next question. Who is the pro-founder of development psychology? Options are A. Piaget, B. Skinner, C. Aristotle, and D. Keras. So the correct answer is A. Piaget. Main psychological characteristics of childhood is A. Depends on others, B. Religious group, C. Group feeling, and D. Imitation tendency. So the correct answer is C. Group feeling. Next question. Walking, running, and crawling are the example of A. Motor development, B. Physical development, C. Mental development, and D. None of above. So the correct answer is A. Motor development. Next question. Parental period are the period of ovum, the period of embryo, the period of fetus, and D. Above all. So the correct answer is D. Above all. Next question. The period of embryo is A. 2 week to 8 week, 10 days to 20 days, 1 week to 3 weeks, and D. None of above. So the correct answer is 2 week to 8 week. A. Next question. Whose definition is this? Socialization means the process of including the developed individual into the social and cultural world. Options are A. Woodworth, B. Kimball Young, C. Johnson, and D. Kohlberg. So the correct answer is Kimball Young, B. Next question. Who is the profounder of cognitive development theory? A. Jean Piaget. B. Bandura. C. E. O. Wilson. And D. Aristotle. So the correct answer is A. Jean Piaget. So guys, if you like this video, just do subscribe our channel and press bell icon to get notification from our channel. And our part 2 of this subject, same subject, is going to come in few days, after few days. So leave comment that you want that part, second part of this video or not, so we can make sure ourselves that you need it or not. Okay, so if you like this video, just like this video and share this video with your friends. Okay friends, and this video will helpful you to especially beard students about childhood, the subject of childhood and growing up. B, it is for HNG University online examination and other universities as well. Okay guys, thank you.